Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Cadillac XT4 key fob battery. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need one new CR2032 coin cell battery, which is commonly available. Additionally, grab a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin to help open the fob. Having a clean, well-lit area will make this process much smoother and prevent any lost parts. Now, let's open the key fob to access the battery. Begin by locating the small release button on the side of your fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into this slot and gently twist to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be gentle to avoid damaging the casing. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. First, take a moment to observe how the old battery is oriented. Typically, the positive side faces up. Using your small screwdriver, carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery from its slot. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. It should fit snugly. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob and test its functionality. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its designated slot until it locks into place. Now, test all the buttons on your key fob to confirm that it is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.